Hi, it's Susan Phelps, your Berkshire Hathaway Florida Realty new home and relocation specialist in Sarasota, Florida. I've been putting up weekly videos and I hope that you have liked them and you've subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on anything coming up. Today I'm going to break away from the subject of real estate a little bit because I want to show you some of Sarasota and the beauty that surrounds us. You know, you don't just buy a home. When you move into a town, you buy that community. And I want to show you Sarasota. We're going to start with a short walk and go down the Mangrove Bayou Walkway that is part of the 53-acre renovation project that is called the Bay. We start out here parking across the street from the Hyatt Hotel and take this sidewalk past the Van Ways on the right, straight down to the water. This is what Sarasota is all about. The Bay is our 53-acre waterfront park, and it's going to provide a green and blue oasis on the Sarasota bayfront where our richly diverse population can all come together as one community. I love how they've taken existing features and made them better. I love how they have included this canal. The sidewalk along the canal is rubberized. I love this quarried limestone barrier between the mangroves and the walkway. The walkway takes us past the mangroves and across the mangroves with this new bridge. Mangroves are a protected plant species in our area, so we've highlighted them here on this Mangrove Bayou Walkway. They've added wildflowers and butterfly gardens, and here is that rubberized walkway that is just a pleasure to walk and bike on. It takes us to the other side of the canal down to the water. The bay is glistening today. It's so beautiful. And we end up here on a viewing platform that I believe is going to be the launching point of the Sunset Walkway that's going to extend out over the water and then back around. On our walk, we pass by iconic art that we have all over Sarasota, and we just love it. Aren't these doors stunning? It's a copperized reflective door that reflects the western sun off of the Van Ways so that it doesn't get so hot. Here's our beautiful bridge. This walkway connects the north and the south shores. And if you're a little confused about where it is, it's really right next to the Van Ways, across the street from the Alinari, the Promenade, and the new Boulevard. And just south is the Condo on the Bay and Beau Seal. It's going to be an amazing project. Please go to the website and poke around a little bit and read some more about the vision. And please like and subscribe to my videos and have a great day.